She's from Wisconsin, of course, because why wouldn't she be?
They actually are giving out green beer for St. Patrick's Day.
Like, literally every time I get on the monorail, I have a problem. What do you think of the Nemo ride? You like it here? Look at the big fish. I think she likes it. We're gonna have to come to this one every time now. We tried to come last time and it was closed. I think it was too late. They wouldn't let us come.
It's very, honestly, I haven't been here since before COVID and I forgot all this was here. Like, I feel bad, like we should have been taking care of gear like the whole time. I just remember it being that little ride. I don't remember like this whole thing, but she's a little scared. She doesn't want to go on the shark. I asked her. This is another excellent ride for toddlers. The Seas with Nemo and Friends. Toddler approved. Alright, off to get our stroller. And I think we're gonna try to check out Figment.
With her.
Well, we've seen Figment several times, but you know. Everything's upside down.
Alright, it is 6:30. We just finished Figment, so I think we gotta run over and get something to eat because otherwise we're gonna miss our window and we definitely have to get back for the fireworks tonight. So, yeah, it was awesome. Like the Nemo and Friends or Nemo Ride or whatever, I don't know what that was called. That was only 5 minutes. And Figment was also only 5 minutes. So it was great. We got to like cross. Oh, what's that? We got to cross both of those off our list. Just in case we can't get those done on Wednesday. It's Woody, and here. It's Toy Story, right? Woody and Little Bo Peep. And look at her sheep. It's made out of plants. Alright, it is 7:16. We just finished up. We went to eat at the little quick service Mexican restaurant. Alright, if you know me or if you follow my channel, I don't know, maybe you don't know that. I don't know how much I talk about it actually, but I'm originally from Wisconsin, even though I live in New Jersey. Believe it or not, we just got, it's like only Wisconsin people, I love them. So I'm walking around like trying to find a table in the Mexican little quick service, I forgot, it's like the Hacienda de San Angel or whatever it's called. That might be the actual restaurant name. So I'm like looking around like who can I like ask to sit next to because there's literally no tables available and everyone looked like they were just sitting down to eat. I saw this lady but I'm like I don't know. She probably is like waiting for her whole family. So she kind of like motioned me over. So she invited us to sit with her, and she's waiting for her family. She's from Wisconsin, of course, because why wouldn't she be? So I had a nice little chat with her. I actually, it's really nice. So we got to eat like our whole meal there. So I took a little bit longer than I probably should have because we do want to get back. But it was nice. So anyway, we got our meal. So I think I want to kind of like see, it's 7:17. I said we have to leave here by 7:30. I'm going to try to run over to
I'm going to be in the
UK Pavilion and see if anything's going on real quick for St. Patrick's Day. But we really got to make it snappy. So I'm going to try to do that quick, and then we'll get back on the monorail and head back over to the Contemporary.
Alright, so we are here on St. Patrick's Day, so I had to stop at the Rose and Crown, and they actually are giving out green beer for St. Patrick's Day. And my little stroller cup here.
Alright, I don't know what is wrong with me, really. It's like, I mean, don't answer that question, but it is like 8:17. Literally every time I get on the monorail, I have a problem that I don't know where I'm going, and I don't get off when I need to get off. I could have like been off the monorail probably like 15 minutes ago, and I was like anticipating a stop for a hotel, and no, our stop for our hotel for the Contemporary, it is Magic Kingdom. I have to walk, and I remember getting off to switch, and these people were telling me, yeah, you need to just get off, and it's gonna be like the third stop. I'm like, okay, so I just like followed them blindly. It's like, what is wrong with me? And I was like questioning. I'm like, I'm just wondering if I should just walk, because I remember I've done that before. I'm like, okay, whatever. Yeah, the monorail's right there. So here I am, like in a hurry. And no, I'll just take a loop around the monorail one more time. So yeah, we're back at Magic Kingdom. I'm like speed walking it over so we can catch fireworks. Fireworks start in like 10 minutes. And my phone, I kind of want to try to do a live stream. My phone is like pretty much like down to like 20% battery, which maybe is not a problem because I have a battery pack. So I'm gonna try it. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Am I the only one like that does this? Like literally every time. I don't know what it is about. Literally every time I get on the monorail, it's like I don't know if I'm not paying attention or if the like announcements aren't that clear. But to be honest, I thought about getting off there and walking, but everyone told me, oh no, just get off at the third stop or whatever. I don't know, whatever. Yes, Elsa bus. So, I'm booking it. We are not missing this. What a way to finish the night. I didn't like live streaming, so I didn't really catch anything on here, but I mean, if you could just see this view, it's amazing. Anyway, we're gonna just chill and like hang out and just enjoy the view, and hopefully maybe catch a little bit of electrical parade at 10. So If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would be a part of our family and go ahead and hit the like button, ring the bell to be notified for all future content. It really does help to support the channel, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.